Hello everyone, welcome back to Tinateach HTML images. I have a simpler aesthetic for you today so we can focus on the material instead of, whatever is going on in the background. Today's goal is about learning images syntax, styling, as well as using them as links, okay? Now, first with the syntax. I want to give you a tip on the syntax. You have to specify the width and the height of the image. This is not strict, however, but it is simply a tip to make your code more stable because you might run into some display problems otherwise, okay? Here is the syntax. I'm sure that you've learned about this before. We have the img tag, which is an empty tag, so you don't need to close it, unlike other tags. And we have src, is where you put the source, you put the path to the folder or the full URL. And alt is what will be displayed if the browser somehow cannot find the image or it cannot load the image. Next up, we have style. Now, the thing is, with width and height or styling in general, you can either just go for the width and height attribute of the image tag. However, I would recommend going with the style. It makes everything more seamless and you don't run into any confusion when you use the style for the image afterwards, because obviously the image only has the width and the height. It does not have any other sort of styling. So keeping everything in one place under the CSS umbrella makes it more convenient, okay? Next up to src. src or source. If the image is in another folder, you do have to specify the folder name, okay? Like I've done here before, you can go, if it is within the images folder, you can put in images and then the name of the image that you want to display. Now, if the image is online or it is on some server, you have to use the full URL. You cannot, skip this or mess with whatever is in the URL. Just copy and paste as is. Now, next up, we have images as links. This is very simple. You can really use anything like that's on display as links. All you need to do is put them within the A tag. Since the A tag is not empty, you can just open and close and put the image in between. All right. Last but not least, floating images. Floating images sounds kind of funny, but it really is all about alignment with the image. You can put it inside of style in the CSS, if you put float right, the images would just go to the right. If you put float left, it just goes to the left. All right. Now I'm going to give you a little bit of demonstration. Here in my main.html, I'm going to create an image tag source. I'm just going to use one image. So there's, we can keep this quick. Alt is logo in case it doesn't show. Width 100 pixel. You can also do percentage, but it's going to be very, very big. 100 pixel, we're going to make it a square. And then I'm going to do some break line. So the image won't be next to each other. So we can sort of differentiate which image belongs to which, HTML code. Another image, logo, alt, logo 2. You know what? I'm actually going to add title for each of them as well. Logo 1 down here is logo 2. I'm going to use the style, width 100 pixel, height 100 pixel. Some more break lines. Now down here, let's create a link. There we go. Go down here and have an image source equals to images. Once again, the same image. Alt, logo link, title, images as link, image as link, okay? Style is width 100 pixel, height 100 pixel, border 2 pixel solid. I'm not going to specify the color because black is by default. Float to right, and then close it. Let's add some text. Click on the link. Alt-C to wrap. I'm going to copy and paste this. And I'm going to change this part. Another link to click on. And then put number 2 over here. And float to the left. Ctrl S to save, and let's see how it runs. Okay, let's hover. This is logo 1. This is logo 2. Now, as you can see, it's very the display is very interesting because these are on the same lines, okay? These are on the same lines. And that's it. Thank you for being with me here today. Our next lesson is going to be about image map, all of the fun stuff. Thank you for watching. Our next lesson is going to be about image map. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Learn today, better tomorrow. Goodbye.